Today I'm in a coin laundry in Japan and I show you how that works. So there are different types of washing machines that you have here with different sizes. So we have here some that are for 8 kilos, which you see here at the bottom. Then you have bigger ones for 18 kilos and then even very big ones, as you can see here, with 27 kilograms. So those are pretty big. And then you have also dryers. So you have these enormous dryers. Look how big they are actually. This is like for 34 kilos, 23, and then you also have some smaller ones for 14 kilos. Let's go a bit away from here, it's a bit noisy. But like in general, you should always put less laundry into a dryer. Like when you're in your hotel, for example, or also here in a coin laundry, because you always will have it that the laundry doesn't get fully dry. And if you put in a little bit less, you can be more sure that at the end, the laundry is dry and you can move on and go to your next place. Otherwise, there's also a laundry table here. So here you have like a basket to roll around the laundry and also some baskets to put them into there so you don't have to carry the laundry by hand. So keep that in mind. And then there are also some things in general in Japan. If there is a gap like this, you have to take off your shoes. So always when there is like a room, you go inside and then there's an elevation, you have to take off your shoes. And here they already provide house shoes, so I'm already wearing my house shoes, as you can see. Now let's go and see how that works. So what I recommend to you is you take your Google Translate and just translate it, or you use something like ChatGPT. Here, for example, you have like the programs for like if it's like delicate or not delicate. Then you have the second one is I think for like if your laundry is delicate, or if it's like laundry that can sustain more harsh washing. You have like how dirty your laundry is, like a little bit or like a lot. And then also like how warm the laundry should be washed. But anyway, just use ChatGPT to or Google Translate to translate it, and then it will explain you that. So that's no issue. Then you put your laundry in there. Once you're done with putting your laundry in, you select the program, close the door, and then you put the money in. So here you have to pay 800 yen. And then it will wash your laundry. So pretty easy. And also you can get here some change. But sometimes, especially in summer, they can run out with change if there are a lot of people washing their clothes. So make sure to bring your own change so you don't get there delayed with that. And then if we go now to the dryers, with the dryers, it's the same principle. You have here different programs, so 5 different programs from like hot, medium warm, room temperature, totally cool, and so on. And I recommend to you also use ChatGPT or Google Gemini to translate it. Google Translate is not so good with translating these things so easily, experienced, and it will also elaborate a little bit more for you what each of this means, so you can then ask it what you should then use for washing your specific laundry. If it's, for example, wool, you can even dry wool on room temperature here, or with little heat. And yeah, that's how you wash your laundry. So I definitely recommend when you dry it, always make sure that you put in a little bit less laundry than you can actually fill up. So don't put it to the maximum. You will end up with dry laundry, and that's how you do it. See you in the next awesome video.